What do you think, Tonka? We restocked you, buddy. You got 2 bags of bison food. And hopefully these treats, we've never tried these, the bison treats. What do you think? Does it make up for wearing the cone? It's a good boy. Snicker good girl. Do your treats smell good? You want one? Alright, hold on. That's pretty cool. Your treats have paw prints in them. Can you sit? Tonka, sit. Do a sit. Do a sit. Snickers, you got your greenie. So what do you think, Tonka? Is it good? Do you have to break it up, buddy? Oh, we know Snickers likes hers. I can't give Tonka the greenies anymore because of your diet. And under the bed she went. Oh, is that good, Tonka? I can see that chewy in your mouth. Tonka, was that good? Do you like them? Tonka, was it good? I take it that's a yes.